Alright, we got a Frigidaire stove here. They say it's not heating up properly when they put it on to bake. Oh, I can already see why. So yeah, that element's blown apart. So we'll change out that element and they should be good to go. So the first thing we need to do is pull out the stove. Don't pull it by the door. Pull it right by the inside of here. There's a lip in there and you can pull the stove out. So we're going to want to disconnect that electrical and move the stove out more because we got to get to the electrical that's on the back here to disconnect the wiring to the element. Okay, so we just got to take off these bolts that are surrounding them in here. So just this lower part, because there is an upper part up there, we don't need to get to that. We're just going to take off the bolts for the, or screws I guess, for the lower part here. Okay, so making sure that your electrical is unplugged. This yellow wire here and this orange wire here are what's connected to that bake element. That bake element is right there. So once we undo the screws from the other side, we'll pull the bake element through on the inside of the stove and put the other one back in. Okay, so there's two screws back there on the back wall. One right there, one right there. We'll undo those, pull the element through the front here, and then we'll feed in the new element through those holes again. Okay, so we have our new element here. I'll put a link to it in the description there, but that's the part number right there. Just for this stove. Okay, so we're going to just put it into these holes until the tabs touch the back wall. Put the two screws back in, and then we'll go to the back again. Okay, we're at the back, so we'll just rehook up the electrical to that element. Put the back on. Plug it in and we can test it. Okay, we've plugged it back in. Just slide it back into place. And set the time. So, what time is it now? 11:05. Hit that. Oh, no, clear button. Now, hit the bake. Up arrow turns on to 350. And we'll make sure that element's going to come on. Oh yeah, it's hot already. So that's it. From heating not well to being fully functional on bake and broil, and it took me about 5 minutes.